Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia G50. So this is a new 5G smartphone from Nokia. This is an unlocked smartphone, so you guys can use it on any carrier you guys want. So the Nokia G50 is now available to purchase here in the States. So if you guys want to buy this phone, the link to this will be down below. And like I said, this is an unlocked smartphone, so you can use it on pretty much any carrier that you guys want. So that's pretty cool. So it's $299.99 for the Nokia G50 here. There's the phone right there. It's available in two colors. You got ocean blue, and then you guys got midnight sun there, which I personally like the midnight sun one better personally. It kind of looks white here. Well, it kind of looks like white silver, so pretty cool. There are some specs there. Y'all guys got 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and this is a single SIM phone, so pretty cool. So there's the phone right there. The phone does look very nice, it looks very nice. You guys got a tape drop match with your front facing camera. I don't know what the hell this button is. I don't know what the button is on the left side. I think your power button and volume keys is on the right side of the phone. There's a button on the left side of the phone. I don't know what that is. Probably Google Assistant key. I don't know. You guys got 3 cameras on the back along with the camera flash. It's available. It has it in the circle design, which is pretty cool. And you have your Nokia logo on the front and back of the phone there. So that's front and back. Alright. Wait, man, what the hell? Alright, so let me show this front and back of the phone there. So there's the front there, and the thing that I put on the left edge of your Google Assistant key, I guess. It's kind of weird. They only show 2 pictures of the front and back, and that's it. So it's in stock right now. Carrier availability. So this is an unlocked smartphone. This device is sold as unlocked and will work with these carriers. So you guys got all these carriers here. So if you guys have a GSM carrier, this phone will work with that. So pretty much any GSM carrier that you guys can think about, this phone will work with that, no issues. It does not work with Verizon, so if you guys want to use this phone on Verizon, you guys wouldn't be able to do so. So you guys have at&t, Boost Mobile, Cricket, H2 Red Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, Net 10. I'm surprised this still running. You guys also have Simple Mobile, T-Mobile, and TracFone Wireless as well. So pretty cool there. So you guys have a variety of carriers to choose from to use this phone. This one is unlocked, and you can use on any GSM carrier that you guys want. So pretty cool. There is no Verizon support, so that sucks, but it is what it is, guys. So y'all guys know about it from different retailers like Amazon, so it's pretty cool. The Nokia G50 here. A better quality phone is better for you, better for your pocket, and better for the planet. That's the idea behind Nokia G50, a future-proof smartphone that's great for today and ready for tomorrow. It's 5G ready, thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G mobile platform at its core. Nokia G50 is also equipped with a battery that can last for days, a 48 megapixel triple camera supported by AI and image stabilization, Nordic reliability and build quality, and the very latest Android 11 with 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of monthly security updates, which is pretty nice. So then I got the full specs here. Probably take us to the spec sheet. And I will come back here in a little bit. So So yeah, I had to get straight back all the way back down to where I was. I was right here, so yeah, y'all guys got quick specs here. So I had this at 5G, equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G mobile platform, 48 megapixel triple camera, capture with AI assistance, and watermark your photos. So that's pretty cool. Large display, featuring a strong 6.82-inch HD plus screen that's made to last. Alright, so pretty nice. Long lasting battery, lasts for up to 2 days between charges. So it's really good there. A 5G smartphone that's ready for tomorrow and better for your pocket. So y'all guys watch a little video there. Your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. And like I said, this is a single SIM version here, so pretty cool. I think that button on the left side is your Google Assistant key. I think it is. So yeah, pretty nice looking phone, you know. Pretty nice. Love it. So they got the camera open there, so pretty nice. Capture the beauty in everything. You are always looking for beauty in the world, and now you can capture it in stunning detail. The Nokia G50 is equipped with a 48 megapixel triple camera for capturing breathtaking detailed pictures that you will absolutely love. So there's your cameras on the back there, 3 of them, camera flash right there. So yeah, trust it. Alright, Android 11 improves with age. Having a smartphone for a long time isn't much good if it starts to feel slow and outdated after a year. So while the Nokia G50 comes out of the box with the latest Android 11, it's also be ready for what comes next with 3 years of monthly security updates and 2 years of OS upgrades. Now that's smart. So you guys will get Android 11 pre-installed. It will get 12 and 13, so pretty sweet. You're lucky enough if you get a budget phone that gets 2 years of you're lucky enough if you guys get a phone with 2 years of OS updates. You're lucky if you guys get that, because you're lucky enough if you get one. So 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates, which is very nice. Keep it. 5G enabled, a future-proof smartphone. The Nokia G50 is great now and is destined for further greatness, because it's going to be even better once it connects to 5G. Thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G mobile platform, which is designed to optimize future technology, a smarter smartphone, you could say. Watermarking. Watermark your images, whether it's a few words or with a logo. Watermarking gives you a chance to add a unique signature to mark the photos as your own. So that is pretty fucking sweet. So yeah, that's really cool. So y'all guys can watermark your photos, so that's pretty cool there. So that's a nice feature. There's the phone again on the back, very nice. What color is that? Like gold or something? Pretty nice. It's available in 2 colors. You guys have ocean blue and midnight sun. So yeah, selfie stabilization. Stabilize your selfies. The perfect selfie moment won't always stop and wait. With selfie video stabilization, you'll stay steady in the frame even if your arm isn't. And if you're more of a night owl, the super night selfie mode helps you take great selfies in low light. So pretty cool there. Everything you want to hear and more. All of the tracks and podcasts you know and love, and millions you have yet to discover. Nokia smartphones now come pre-installed with Spotify, the world's most popular audio streaming service. That puts you just a few touches away from the biggest songs from the biggest artists in the world, ready to play every week. on Spotify. Found out more. So basically this takes you to Spotify basically, so the Nokia G50 comes pre-installed with Spotify, so that is pretty cool. Spotify is really cool. I do like Spotify a lot. I use the free version of Spotify and that works good for me, so if you guys like Spotify comes pre-installed on the Nokia G50, so pretty cool. Level up your security with ExpressVPN. So pretty cool. Whether you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data, ExpressVPN adds an additional layer of security to your internet connection, protecting your data from prying eyes. Get a 30-day free trial of ExpressVPN exclusively on select Nokia phones. There's no commitment and no payment method needed. You'll be up and running in less than a minute. So pretty cool there. So I guess it comes with the ExpressVPN app on the phone. So pretty cool. You guys get a 30-day trial. Try it out. If you guys want to continue using it, you guys can pay for it. If you guys want to learn more about ExpressVPN, click this link below, and I will also have a link down below if you guys want to learn more about ExpressVPN. So check that out, and yeah, if you guys want to protect your data and stuff, a VPN is a must-have, So pretty cool for Nokia to be bringing that to this phone here. So I think it's pre-installed onto the phone. So pretty nice there. And that looks like that's it for the overview there. The spec sheet. A 5G smartphone that's ready for tomorrow and better for your pocket. So y'all guys have two colors, ocean blue and midnight sun. I think the midnight sun one looks better in my opinion. Display, 6.82 inch display, HD plus display, and it's a V notched, so pretty cool. 6.82 inch display, imaging, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 48 megapixel main camera with autofocus, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor with a rear flash. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0, headphone jack, location, GPS, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN, ACAX, and NFC support. So pretty cool. 5,000 mAh battery, 18 watt quick charging capable. Memory, internal storage 128 gigs, micro SD card support up to 512 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes of RAM. CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G mobile platform, Android 11 64-bit. Of course, it's 64-bit processor. It's 64-bit OSs now. So it comes with Android 11. That guys with Android 12 and 13 on this as well, and 3 years of security updates, which is pretty fucking nice. Audio features include FM radio and 2 microphones, one for your calls and another one for a noise cancellation microphone. Networks are there. This does support GSM networks only, so do keep that in mind. This is an unlocked smartphone, so you can use on any GSM carrier that you guys want. It takes a nano SIM card. This is only a single SIM version of the phone. Fingerprint sensor is a side power button. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button, and you also have face unlock as well. The buttons are a Google Assistant key, which I thought it would be. So that's on the left side. You do have a shortcut key to the Google Assistant. So pretty cool. Dimensions are there. Sensors: accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, gyroscope, proximity sensor. In the box is the gyroscope, the Nokia G50 smartphone, charger, screen protector, which is nice. quick start guide, and USB Type-C cable. So pretty nice there. And yeah, so you guys get a screen protector in the box, which is nice. So yeah, this is a nice looking phone. I like the Midnight Sun version better. I think it looks better in my opinion. So for $300, you're getting a lot for this phone. This is a budget smartphone. It is 5G ready. So wherever GSM carrier that you guys put it on, you guys will have 5G on it. So pretty cool. Not bad for $300. I think it's worth $300. Like I said, you guys are getting a lot. You guys are getting a 5G phone, 2 years of OS updates, and 3 years of security updates as well, along with a quick charger, 5,000 mAh battery. I think this phone looks very nice, and I think the features on it are very nice as well. If you guys are looking to get an budget smartphone but don't want to pay a whole lot of money, then the Nokia G50 is the phone for you to check out. This is an unlocked smartphone. So I'll show you guys the carriers again. So any GSM carrier will work with this phone here. You guys got all these carriers there. So it will work on every carrier except for Verizon. So if you guys are trying to do this on Verizon prepaid or whatever, it will not work with that, because it's not a CDMA phone. So this is GSM only, and you guys have a lot of carriers to choose from there. So yeah, I think it's worth every penny of it though. It's unlocked, and you can take it from carrier to carrier and stuff like that. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The Nokia G50 is now available in the States. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.